see two monkeys. Big monkey, and there's her little baby brother monkey. Huh? Are you a monkey, Anthony? How's the monkey? That's how the monkey goes? Everybody trying on Gammy's shoes? And play in my closet? Oh, wow. Wow, look at you. Oh my goodness. Wow. Get your hat? Yeah. Oh yeah. You're ready to go now, huh? Look at this little monkey spazzing out down there. You ready to go, huh, Sophia? Where are you going tonight? Where are you going tonight? Oh, are you driving too? You the driver? What? You gonna wear those?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Anthony.
I'm gonna wear your shoes.
You're gonna wear my shoes. Wow, they're the sparkle shoes too, huh? Whoa! Don't break your little tootsies.
I want this one.
Don't break your tootsies, huh, Anthony?
I want down.
Okay.
Down.